Everyone, this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. This is Team Faith and Sam Limo. Today, we are here to say thank you for 2024. What a great year it has been. There's room for growth, and we want to thank all our clients that reach out to us and enjoyed our services. And those who are called to ask for questions, you get the answers, and we're looking forward to helping you in 2025, or even we still got some year left in 2024. So today, we just want to say thank you, and I'm going to introduce Faith, who is our loan officer, to tell us about ourselves, and we will talk more about what we are about to do in 2025. Welcome, Faith.
Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you for this opportunity. For me, I just want to thank God for this Father He has brought us. 2024 has been such a fruitful year. I mean, since the beginning of the year, January, up to now in December, we have been able to help so many families realize the home ownership dreams. And for us, it's not by our own strength, but I really want to thank God being the first person that has brought us this far. And I can't wait to see what 2025 owns for us and what is in store. I'm excited to be here again. I am your lender. I'm licensed in 5 states, just to mention Texas, Missouri, Kansas, Pennsylvania, and Atlanta, Georgia. Yep. Thank you, Sam.
That's awesome. So I always tell my clients, I work with faith by faith. So that is the power that is between us. I will give you a brief story of how me and Faith met. We met through after Faith watching a video just like this. She reached out to me and said, welcome, Sam, to the industry. Let me be your lender. And through that, she helped me with closing my first deal. We worked with a lady that reached out to me through the same videos. And that's why we continue doing these videos, because it connects all of us. We're here to help you and your family build generational wealth. I do this through a process I call a 5-step process. And this process basically takes you step by step to buying your new home. And Faith, what does Faith do for me is basically make sure that when you need that loan, she will guide us through the loans that's available. This year, we were able to close up to 5 loans together through our cooperation together. And those loans range from VA loans, FHA loans, and conventional loans. We work through all those deals with our clients, and we'll be able to deliver those keys to them. So today, I'm going to let Faith introduce how to reach her, and also what she does after you send the information to her. Welcome, Faith.
Yes, thank you, Sam. So for me, I try to make this process as easy and seamless as possible, because within the years and with so many files that I've dealt with and clients, I put together their challenges and they try to make it so seamless. Now, the first thing is, of course, for you to get a pre-approval. And that is what I do. I get you pre-approved for a loan. And the reason for the pre-approval and the most important thing about it is you are able to know how much you qualify for. Even before they come to you, Sam, to start looking for a home, they know exactly how much. So it kind of gives you guidance on where to start, right? Yes. The pre-approval also helps them in terms of knowing their monthly budget. So someone is able to know, if I go for a $500,000 home, this is how much I'm expected to pay. That way, there will be no surprises on the way. Yes. Now, to get you pre-approved, I've really streamlined my process as well. I only require 4 things. I tell people 4 things, and they're like, only 4 things, Sam. Now, yes, apart from making the application, which is submitting the application through my website, I only require 4 other things. So number 1, of course, is when you consult with me, I get to know your needs and things like that. So the first thing is you submit an application through my link. So I get to send you a link. My link is very easy to use. It's more like a questionnaire. Once you start, it's more like a questionnaire. Honestly, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes maximum to submit that application. Yes. Now, after submitting the application, I need only 4 things. Number 1, I'll need your W-2s. If you're employed, I'll need your W-2s for the most recent 2 years. Like right now, we're in 2024, but we're almost at the end of the year anyway. But if I was to do your application, your pre-approval today, I'm going to require 2023 and 2022 W-2s, because 2024 is not over yet. So you don't have your 2024 just yet. So yes, the W-2s, if you're self-employed, is taxes instead of the W-2s. Yes. Number 2, the most recent 2 pay stamps or 30 days pay stamps. So I tell people, give me 2 or 3 to be on the safe side so that I'm able to calculate the income. Number 3 is a form of identification. Government identification can be a passport, it can be a driver's license, it can be an ID. And number 4, and the last thing I ask for, is to see some kind of assets, which is the most recent bank statement. So again, Sam, it's for you to do an application with me, and also for you to submit only 4 things that I just asked for. Just that. It's so easy.
That's awesome. So you can hear what she just said about submitting the application, and she will educate you on the available financing options for you. So for a VA loan, you will need 0 down. For a FHA loan, you need about 3.5% minimum, and a conventional, it can start as far as 5% to 10%. So she will guide you with how much money do you need to put down. Which
conventional, actually, with a good credit score, you can put as low as 3%, Sam. 3% down, conventional.
So, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So guys, we're here to streamline this process. We're here to talk to you today, to welcome you to 2025, and to provide that we are Team Sam and Faith. We're here to make you realize you're building generational wealth through real estate. So another thing that I wanted to mention today is basically reaching out to me. I will take you through the 5 steps which I talked about. The first step is understanding your vision, understanding where you want to live, what type of house you're looking for, what kind of budget. And then the next step is finding your home. And then from there, I use technology to be able to do that. And number 3 is the most important step, which is negotiations. This is where me and Faith really work together. And Faith will help you to actually make sure that we get the deal based on the pre-approval, which Faith can talk to us about down payment assistance, which he can help us there in terms of getting down payment. Please share about that.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm so happy, Sam. I posted yesterday for people who follow my page, my last deal for the year. I'm closing it tomorrow, and this guy is actually getting money back. Can you believe that? Like, it's just amazing. That is because of the down payment assistance. So if you get the down payment assistance and the seller offers some seller concessions, it's absolutely possible to get some money back. So with the down payment assistance, honestly, it's just not available for the first-time home buyers. Anybody can qualify for the down payment assistance program. It just depends with your income, because it does have some income limit or cap. It also depends on where you're buying, but it's a case-to-case, basis. And even if you do not receive the down payment assistance program, some have worked with you on those 5 deals that we worked together this year. You are an amazing negotiator. Seriously. I don't know how you get your clients, like the sellers, to pay all these closing costs. So with your clients, actually, I'm not even worried about the down payment assistance at all, because you already get them a lot of seller concessions, which is more than enough. We have to tell you, okay, you have to reduce a little bit just to still stay in par with the guidelines. I know. So yeah, but please reach out. Don't feel like because probably you don't have money in the bank, you don't have 10,000, 20,000, you cannot buy a home. You can buy a home. And that's why me and Sam are here to guide you through. Sam, by God's grace, this year, I've been able to close 36 homes. And for me, it's not just about business, Sam. It's about touching every person's life that God puts in my hands. I mean, 90% of the people who own home, they'll tell you they have never seen their land at the closing. I make sure I go to my closings because, again, as I said, it's not business. It's relationships that we are forming, right? It's about, whatever God has put me in your life to be a part of or to be a blessing. I want to make sure I bring it up to the very end. So, yes. So let people reach out to her, Sam. Let people do not get afraid like they cannot afford. It's a case-to-case basis. And we do offer free consultations. We are here for them. We offer free consultations. Let please people take advantage of it.
Yes, so guys, we just wanted to make this video today to reach out to thank you everyone that liked our video, shared our videos this year, and we're here to help you. Please reach out to us. We're here, as Faith mentioned, this is free consultations, and we'll guide you step by step. This video is just to say thank you and to encourage you to say, guys, we delivered. Of those 36 deals, I did 5 deals with Faith, and it was not easy deals, but we got them done. In fact, what I always tell people is, even like using your 401k as your down payment, that's an option. You do not get penalties for it. You get to pay taxes, but that is an occurrence that is allowed to have early withdrawal.
Oh, you can get a gift from a relative, Sam. You can also get a gift. Yeah.
So let's figure out how to help you in the few weeks left in 2024. And we just wanted to wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. And we want to say Team Sam and Faith are here to encourage you and to hold your hand to buy your new home. So last word from Faith.
Yes, I just want to wish everybody happy holidays. Thank you guys for supporting our business. We are here because of you as a community. Please go ahead and follow our pages, share the videos when we post them. You know, just share our pages. That's how you are able to help us grow. But Merry Christmas from me and Sam, and happy holidays, happy new year. We cannot wait to see what 2025 unfolds. You can reach me on my cell phone number, which is 469-761-2734, or my social media sites. On Facebook, I'm Faith Kiunga Lending. Please go ahead and follow my page, and God bless everybody. Thank you, Sam.
Thank you and be blessed. My phone number is right on the back of this board, 214-498-4942. And this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. I'm here to say, come get your keys. What are you waiting for? Come on.
Yes, yes.